In this guide, I'll show you how to fix PlayStation Network sign-in errors on your PS5. First, go to Settings on your console, then open Network Settings and select Connection Status. From there, check PlayStation Network status. If all services are showing as active, everything is fine. However, if any service appears in red or unavailable, the issue is likely on Sony's side, and you should wait until all services are restored. Next, test your internet connection. Pay close attention to obtain IP address and internet connection. If either shows unsuccessful, the problem is likely with your local network. In some cases, this can also appear as a failed sign-in to online services, which may indicate an account-related issue. To verify, try signing in through a browser on your PC. If you're unable to log in, you may need to reset your PlayStation account password. If the connection test fails, go to your Wi-Fi settings on the PS5, select your network, press the Options button, and choose Forget Network. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This can often resolve temporary connection glitches. You should also power cycle your home network. Turn off your modem and router completely, unplug them for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in. At the same time, fully power off your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds before restarting everything. If the issue continues, try improving your connection stability by moving your PS5 closer to the router or using a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster internet experience. After making these changes, run the internet connection test again. If you're still facing issues, you can adjust your DNS settings. Go to Settings, Set up Internet Connection, select your network, press the Options button, and open Advanced Settings. Change DNS from automatic to manual. Use Google DNS. Primary DNS, 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS, 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and reconnect to the network. This should help resolve most PlayStation Network sign-in issues on PS5.